In this lesson, we will see how to play with named ranges and cells. If you ever worked with complex formulas that use multiple cell references, just like we did in the last lesson, you know how confusing it can get. Named ranges help you simplify your formulas and make your spreadsheets easier to understand. A name range is a meaningful name assigned to a cell or range of cells, replacing traditional cell references like A1 or B2. You see here in the top left, we have the name of the cell. So we can rename and give a name of a cell or a range of cells. In our case, from B1, B2 to C3. In these cases, we can take, let's say, a sample. Here we have a table of products and our sales value, let's say, in key euro. And for this, I will start by creating a range and I will give it a name and I will select all the values from this table. And here on the top left, I will rename sales. Hit enter. And now each time I will select this range, it will appear here the name of the range. Now if I want to make a fast formula, I can write equal sum, and if I will write sales, it will bring the total of these amount of these figures. So now if I want to name one cell, only one cell, I will put here, let's say 8%, and we will consider that this is a tax rate. So I will click on it. A6 will become tax rate. Hit enter. And now if I will make again the formula equal sum sales multiply, so multiply meaning the star sign, with tax rate, you see, I will have the percentage directly without any cell original name like A1 or range from B2 to F4 and so on. It's a simple formula of names which is more easy to work. So that's why it's very important to organize your spreadsheets and give a name for any important range of your working sheets.